The WeCreat Vision 40W laser engraver is a fully enclosed, high-performance diode laser machine designed for serious makers, small businesses, and professionals who need speed, power, and safety for demanding engraving and cutting projects. With a robust 40-watt diode laser module, the Vision 40W can cut through up to 18 millimeters of wood or 15 millimeters of opaque black acrylic in a single pass, and even handle thin stainless steel, making it ideal for high-volume production and thick materials. Its engraving speed reaches up to 600 millimeters per second, saving up to 50% of time compared to other 40W machines. The laser spot size is as fine as 0.08 by 0.10 millimeters, ensuring detailed, precise results even on intricate designs. The machine features a smart autofocus system with a motorized Z-axis 140 mm range and a built-in HD camera for advanced positioning, allowing for what you see is what you get setup and minimizing material waste. The camera system also reduces setup time by up to 60% compared to manual multi-point alignment. Safety is a top priority. The fully enclosed design includes an eye-protecting lid that filters 99% of laser light, automatic stop when the lid is opened, and FDA Class 1 certification, so no extra goggles are required. Additional features include air assist for cleaner cuts, a fume extractor with a 99.7% purification rate for healthier indoor use, a removable crumb tray, and a large, user-friendly start/pause button. The machine is compatible with a rotary system for engraving on cylindrical objects and supports an auto pass-through feeder for continuous, large-scale projects. With a footprint of 589 by 531 millimeters and weighing just under 20 kilograms, the WeCreat Vision 40W is built for both power and convenience, making it one of the most advanced desktop laser engravers in its class.